Shikihanda thaa imwe cia utuku, maabitha borithi marakorwo mari na wigiriki munene wa gutigirira Akenya ni mahingia watho wa gukorwo nyumba itemi-ini ria kuhitana na homa ya COVID-19. No ica ikuhi ni gukoretwo na inegene ria Akenya magitetia maabitha borithi ni kuhuthira hinya mukiru magikinyaniria watho uyu.
We have been having few complaints here and there, and I want to take this opportunity where police have been involved in excessive actions. Internally, our system has been dealing with that, and I want to report today that I'm very happy. No more complaints from members of public on police, what you have been calling brutality.
No riu ngwataniro ya maabitha borithi na muingi ni irigirirwo kumata thutha wa Inspector General wa borithi Hilary Mutyambai kuga ati undu ucio ndukuonekana ringi, amu ruhonge rwa borithi bururi-ini ni rwaranirie na maabitha ao na kuiguithaniria uria magiriire ni gukinyaniria watho o wothe.
We have been able not only to take punitive action on our officers, but also to advise our officers on the guidelines how we are supposed to enforce these directives.
Oho, nikitirĩtana kuri Akenya akimoria metekire kurutithania wira na maabitha a borithi hatari na uthuka na gwitiganira niguo kugitira bururi na urumwe.
Let us work together as a team. When you as a person you see a member of public without a face mask, you have also a responsibility to let him know it is dangerous.
Aritie u thutha wa kwamukira indo cia maabitha a borithi cia kwigitira na homa ya COVID-19 me wira-ini iria ciheanitwo ni sako yao.
Wherever they are in their camps, we are going to provide them with these equipments, protective equipments. We'll go to the border posts where the risk is. Those who are bordering the Somali, the Ethiopia, countries like Ethiopia, Tanzania, Uganda, Southern Sudan. So we are doing this countrywide.
Indo cia mbere kuheanwo iheanitwo nyambo-ini ya Rironi barabara-ini nene ya kuma Nairobi guthii Naikuru. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Winrose Wangui.